Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, I will teach you arrange dual monitors on your desktop, on your desk. Okay, it is very simple. You can simply connect your multiple monitors, and first it is showing like duplicate monitors, like the two screens are the same. So how to do? How to extend this display? If you need a multiple display like 1 and 2, so it is very simple. Simply click Windows key and P. Okay, then you will get this option. Click on extended. Okay, click on extended. So after that you can see that only one monitor it is showing these icons, and the second monitor is plain. Okay, only you can see that wallpaper and the taskbar only. So how to arrange this? You can simply do that by right click, then go to display settings, then you can click here identify, then you can identify the monitors like 1 and 2, and currently you can see here this is my 1 and 2. So normally it is people's like 1 and 2. So here is my, I adjusted this displays like this second display is in my left side, so I simply drag like this, so it will become to the left side. So if you are set up like this one upper side, okay, you can simply also put like this, and if you are like to right side, you can simply put this side or left side. Okay, whatever you want. If you need bottom side, you can simply go to that bottom side. So in this way you can simply arrange which side you are using, because of whenever you are using our mouse like to go this side. Okay, if you need to set like this, if your monitor in your left side and arrangement settings will be right side, whenever you are using go to this side, monitor does not show the mouse. If you always use that right side, whenever you are looking to left side, your mouse point go to left side. That is not good. So simply drag like this and adjust whatever you want. Okay, so that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replacements video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. And sorry for my bad English, and thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.